So I got a new carburetor for my rototiller, and what was going on with this thing, if you let it sit a little while, you could start it and it would run and then die. And I think what was going on was the float bowl was filling up with fuel very slowly, and then when you started it sucked all the fuel out of the float bowl, and it just couldn't keep up with the consumption of the fuel. So yes, I could have rebuilt that thing. I could have gone down to the auto parts store and got a spray can of cleaner and that sort of thing, which would be about $4 for the can. But what I decided to do was buy a new carburetor. And this is supposed to be an exact duplicate of that. But you can see right here, the choke lever isn't the same as this. Plus this one has a vacuum port on the side of it. Other than that, it bolts on just fine. And I've been playing with Chinese scooters for a number of years. When you order exact replacement parts for those, they come out exactly the same. They bolt right on. You don't have to do any modifications whatsoever. Here's some pictures of one of the scooters that I've customized. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this thing fit. I'll plug this little port up right here. I'll just put a piece of rubber tubing on it, and then I'll just stick some kind of a plug in the end of that so that's not interfering with the way the thing runs. Plus I'm going to have to fire up the TIG welder and weld the little handle on this, kind of like this guy. So anyway, I'm going to get started now, and we'll just see how everything turns out. As you can see, I have my handy dandy fuel tank sucker hooked up and made short work of the tank of gas that was in the tiller. Now I can start taking the carburetor off and putting filters in and all that good stuff. Oh, I also forgot to tell you, the new carburetor only costs $14.07 on eBay, in case anybody is interested. So now you can see I have the new choke lever all tigged on, so I'm ready to put the carburetor onto the rototiller. And that's what it looks like when it's done. It's in the run position right now. That is full choke right there. Run position is right there. I got a little black indicator mark on the butterfly. And anyway, I'm ready to test run it. Fill it with gas and away I go. Well, I'm pretty sure that's what it's supposed to do. I'll try forward and reverse and see what happens. I'm happy with that.